In a village nestled between dry hills and whispering winds, there lived a boy named Arjun. He was known for being thoughtful, often found sitting near the village well, staring at its still water as though searching for something beyond its depths. "Why do you waste your time staring into a well?" people would ask. Arjun would only smile. "I see the moon." At night, when others slept, Arjun would walk through the fields and return to the well. There, in the quiet darkness, the moonlight shimmered on the water's surface, broken only by a falling leaf or the occasional ripple. One evening, his father, an old farmer, hardened by life, followed him. "I see you come here every night," his father said. "What are you looking for?" Arjun hesitated. "I want to understand life, why we suffer, why people change, and what I am meant to do." The old man sat beside him, silent. After a long pause, he said, "Life is like the water. If you keep staring it, you will never see clearly." The boy frowned. "So I should stop thinking." "No," said his father. "You should let the thoughts settle. Only then will you see what's real. Like the moon, always there, but only visible when the water is still." Arjun didn't understand it fully, but he kept returning to the well. Years passed. Arjun grew into a man. Storms came. The well nearly dried. The fields turned to dust. His father passed away, whispering in his final breath, "Let the water settle." Arjun looked over the farm. There were struggles, failing crops, debts, loneliness. The weight of life pressed heavily on his shoulders. He tried everything he could to hold things together, but nothing seemed to work. One night, broken by exhaustion, he returned to the well after years. He sat in silence. The water was muddy. But slowly, as the wind stilled and his breath calmed, the ripples began to fade, and there it was again, the moon, clear, whole, unmoving, and Arjun finally understood. He stood up, a quiet strength rising within him. He began to rebuild, not with panic, but with patience. He listened to the land. He treated his workers kindly. He let go of the anger he held toward the world and toward himself. The seasons changed. The rains returned. The well filled once more. And at night, when the moonlight touched its surface, it reflected something more than just the sky. It reflected peace.